आपने सबसे पहले घबराना नहीं है।
So proceeding 56th question, ab square plus 4bq square. So here we can see that bq is the half of the bq is nothing but the half of the what BC. So we will be considering at it as the AB means half of the sorry, the twice of uh, since it is 4 the yes, then it will be considered it can be considered as the BC square as well. So the BC square we can be means this question can be rephrased into EB square plus BC square, but it is not directly given there. So means we but we can but the area will but the answer will be the same in the both the cases. So the area will be AB square plus BC square. So that is the say AB is the say 1.6 and the BC that is the 6.3. So the sum of these two will be the 42.25 centimeter square. So this is the right answer. Uh, so now for proceeding, and so here I have not means got the answer right answer. I was confused, and I was in hurry, so I left it. And now proceeding further, the BAP here. So here BAP, AB is the diameter. So AB is diameter. 45 degree will be the right answer here. BAP will be coming out to be 45 degree. So because radius is radius OP, O is here. So P is OP, and BAP will become this will be the 45 degree sorry 90 degree because angle in a semicircle. So the both this becomes this is equal, so these angle are equal. So this is the angle so this is I mean sorry this is the radii, and both these will be equal. So the radii means angle of these two angle will be also equal. So 45 will be there, and AQP similarly AQP will be also comes out to be 45 degrees Celsius, 45 degree. Now 61st question. In this question you can have put means calculated it like this, like after writing 5 x for the pencil, y for the notebook, z for the eraser, like this you can you got the equation. And then to eliminate this two, since it is not asking about the pencil, so to eliminate pencil you could have make it equal, so that you can could have got the means see here 66 means this two will get cancelled. So 66 sorry 6 into 6 will be 36y, and here you will be getting 20y. So the 36 minus 20 will be 16y, and here 7 into 6 42, and 5 into 2 10. So in this case 32 will be there. So taking 16 out, and so 16 when 16 will be out, where we will be having the here 16, and y plus 2z will be inside. So the and we have to calculate 2y plus 4z. So the 8 will be division means in likewise similarly here we will be multiplying 6 and 5 with this. And see here I have done calculation. It came out to be 60 sorry 600, which I'm divided by 8, because the 2 will be a 60 from the 16 will be going inside, because we have to calculate the 2y plus 4z. So 8 we will dividing 600 by 8, so we to get the 75 as a right answer. For further 62 question, 62nd question, how many zeros? So for zeros we count the number of the fives, because 2 will come more often than 5. So 2 there will be no dearth of 2 to get the 0, but 5 is limited, and the number of 0 will be decided by the 5 only. So after calculating it will comes out to be 235. And from this we will be getting B our as our right answer, because the after solving this we will be getting the 27 as the yeah, okay, yeah, 31 and 29 will be the roots of this equation, and fulfilling the putting this as P and Q. P is 31 and Q is 29. We will be getting B option as our correct or right option. 64 so 64 is the putting you can we can write it as the 10 to the power minus 4. So when we write 10 to the power minus 4 in the log term, then the minus this power terms comes out to be means in the here 4, and the log 10 of the log 10 will be coming will be 1. So we will be getting at we will be getting x square minus 2 as the of a whole square. This will be come out to be as this. So the minimum value that between means less than this value will be getting the negative value of this. So that will not be possible, because the log value did not don't take less than 1 means it does not exist for the less than 1. Right option is option D, 0.0001. So 65th question, and this I have left because I was little confused. So 66th question, putting A equal to here, we have to put something because the equation is a bit complicated here. So the putting A equal to 1, we will be getting and putting A equal to 1, and then we will be seeing that many of them will be cancelling out each other. We will left out with that equal to -2. So putting t equal to -2 and A equal to 1 here, and we will get 2 as our right answer. In 67, I have left. I was trying, and but I was this question was I have to solve further, and means this was a little bit time taking, so I did not. I left it. So and the further after solving this, we will in hurry. I was hurry in hurry, and means the right option of this question is 1, but I had choosing the D option. I am wrong here, and in this as well. 2A, on solving this with the by taking them one from one side to the opposite side, we will be getting B by A and A by B as the sum of this as a 13.6. You can see is here, and so the we you can see A by B is the, and by 6 plus 1 by 6, sorry, 2 plus 1 by 6. So the A by B is the 3 by 2. So, okay, and so the A plus B will be the 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2, and likewise in the other way, we can also have A as 2 or B as 3. So in that case, the -5 will be the answer. So in hurry, I also did wrong. The right option will be the both the -5 and 5 will is the right answer. In this, by put a hit and trial, we will be putting to A and B or B and C, and likewise 0, and we getting X, Y values like I did here, you can see, and ultimately getting C as our right answer. And 71st question, if three positive numbers are in the ratio, that is 2 ratio 3 is to 5, then the sum of the square is 1368. So the right option will be coming out as the 60. This is an easy question. You can just a calculation, little bit calculation. In this question, you can have put the any of the value, one A as B, A as 2 and B as 1. So putting that at the C, I have put in that in here, and I get the answer, means C as the right answer. So now 73rd question, putting this question, see the means the ratio of the work is given. So the right directly we will multiplying the 3 and minus 1 into 2 and plus 1 by 3 and plus 1 4 into 4 and minus 3 equal to 6 by 11. So putting 7 directly here, we will see that it satisfies the equation. So our correct option will be 7. For the 74th question, I have left it, so I leave it. And 75 fifth question, a person wishes to fence 375 rectangular garden. He has 65 meter of barbed wire and is able to fence only three sides. So it is giving that it is uh, uh, 60 375 is the area of the rectangular garden, and 60 with the 65 meter he is able to the fence three sides. So we can say that 3/4 of the perimeter of our garden is the 65. So from there, using this, we will calculate the perimeter parameter which will come out to be 2 into means 80 as the right answer. We will get 80 as the right answer by calculating it. And further, I have left this DI. Let's proceed. Then from the 80th question, we can see that the percentage increase from the 2014 to 2018. So the percentage 2014 to 2018. So the immediately we will be calculating the 100. See the 100 and 1200, 1500, 1800, 2000. So that absolute increase is that 1000. So 1000 over the 1000 is the 100% increase. So the second question says that the production of each company separately in how many instances was the percentage increase in the production of cars over the previous year's production greater than 20%. So mean it is asking that in which year we have been seeing the greater than 20% increase in the total production. So in the five cases we will be saying this, and the right answer will be 5. uh, you can check it, okay, means one by one, you can have this idea that, like, see, in this acts, four acts, we in this area means 100 is increased. So 100 over 300 is the 33.33 percentage. So it is more than 20%. One company will be here. In the similar way, the here for the in the 2014 of the Y company, we it has also seen the increase as the more than 20%, because it has shown the 50% increase. In similar way, we will the number of the company will be around 5. So proceeding for the 82nd question, in which year was the percentage increase in the production of cars minimum? So the minimum production was as compared to the previous year was in the 2018. Because this can be also seen as the numbers got increased, so the percentage increase decrease comes out to be narrowing. Means it comes it keeps on decreasing when the numbers bigger in the denominator got increased. So 2018 will be the right answer. So 83 is the and this in decrease that year will be we will be getting as the, see, 20 means here it is 1800 and here it is 2000. So 200, just 200 got increased, and 200 over 1800. So it is the 10 by 9 ratio. So 10 by 9 ratio is the increase of 11 by 1 by 9%. So the absolute minimum percentage increase is the 11 by 1 by 9%. Now this question I have left. Okay, now the 86th question, putting here we will put since one of the root is the 3 by 2, so we will put 3 by 2 as a x, and we will be getting a as the 4. So after putting 4, now we will be getting 5 by 2 and 3 by 2 as the sum of root. So squaring them and adding, we will get 34 by 14. So this will get reduced to 17 by 2. The 87th question, the two-digit number is product of digit is 8. So the see, and the 63 is the added to this number when digits are interchanged. So xy we can take as the means digits of the two numbers. So multiply their multiplication is product is 8, and the division means their difference of the digit, which will be 9x minus 9y, and that will be 63. So x minus y will be 7, and with this the we will be getting x plus y from the formula of the x plus y whole square equal to x minus y square plus 4xy. We will be getting 9 as our correct answer. And for 88, a motorboat has a speed 30 km per hour in still water. It goes 60 km downstream and comes back in 9 by 2 hours. So we will not solve all the means whole problem, means step by step. Just we will putting the answer by framing this like this. 60, we have been given the 60 km distance. So 30 minus x and 30 plus x, and 9 by 2 is the distance. Total time, sorry, total time is there. So putting 10 here, and we will means we will go by hit and trial. So hit and trial, 60 by 30 minus 10. So 60 by 30 minus 10 will be the 60 by 20. So the 3 will be the here, here 3. We have 3 and 60, and niche that 40 is the downside. So the 3 by 2. So we see that 4 1 by 2. So it is the 3 into 6 plus 3. 9 by 2 is coming out. So this option is satisfying. So it is the right answer. So in exam you need to see that which option will be giving you the right option. Means right option, which could be the right option. So you immediately start with that. And that comes with the practice. So, 89 question. The present age of a father is equal to the sum of ages of his four children. So, in this case as well, like I said earlier, it is 1.6 times. So, and 4 is the number. So, 4 should be the means number should be divisible by the 4 times. Means so the 40 could be the one of the answer, and 36 also could be the answer. But let's start with the means most simple number. So, 40 is the right answer here. Comes out to be 40 is the right answer. When you check it, it will be the right answer. Now coming to the sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 10. So the 3 by 7 is the you can think of as a and it is also given that when you increase the numerator by 3, so 3 increased by 3 will be 6, and fraction become and denominator is decreased by 1. So 7 minus 1, sorry for that, denominator is decreased by 1. So 7 minus 1 will be the 6. So this fraction becomes 1. So 6 by 6 becomes 1. So we see that, and now it is asking the difference. So 7 minus 3 will be the obvious 4. And now the system application for a unique solution, we know 7 by, means a1 by a2 not should not be equal to b1 by b2. So the this gives the right answer as k equal to not k not equal to 7. And now 92nd question says that the in 5 years the amount becomes double. So to become it four times, it will the take the just the two times of the initial timing. That is the since it is becoming the four times. The four times is the square of two, means the it is the two times of the initial time taken by the, so initial doubling time takes fifth hour. So the again the doubling of that is the squaring, that is four times will be taking it as the 10 as the answer. So two times into 5 years will be the giving the 10 years. So the right option will be 10 years. Now between 3 and 4 o'clock, we this option I have not, means this question I did not there. And here in this case the 4 and 3 is the 4 is the efficiency ratio. So you could calculate it, and the answer will be coming out will be the 35. That is the multiple of 7. And now the 95th question here, you could have done it is smartly. Just put the y equal to 0. So you will be getting a as the 7 x equal to 7 by 2. So putting 7 x equal to 7 by 2 means y equal to 0. All the this will cancel out, and you will be left with the 8x cube minus 340. So the 8x cube minus 340 will be the 8 into 7 cube, that is 343 divided by 8, because we are x equal to 7 by 2. So 343 divided by 8. So this 8 in the denominator will cancel out the numerator 8, and 343 minus 340 will be 3 is the answer here, right answer. So 96, this question means I think there is a wrong something here, because the answer is coming out to be 7.2.8 percentage increase, and this is not an option, so I have not touched that. Now this was the easiest one. 30 days. It is saying that means a person is hired for the 38 days, and he will be given the 100, sorry, 500 rupees for the each day work, and 100 rupees will be taken back if he did not come for that day. So he was awarded with the 11,400 for his as a total money of for his work. So we have to calculate how many the work day he have completed. So you can see that by hit and trial in this as well, you could have done that. See the when you put the 21 as the means the work, 21 into 500, so 25 100 10,500. So 9 days it will coming more less. So it is not, it cannot be 21 days. So more of this will be the 24 is in the option. So 24 multiplied with the 500 will be the 12,000, and 12,000 minus 6 days for the 600, so will be, which will give out the 11,400. So our right option will be the C. And 98 option will be the 98th question. The person bought a chair and a table for 750. And in this question as well, you could have done by the just by the percentage formula. See, 5 is the for the gain for the chair, and 20 is gain for the table. So 5 to 12, I'll get on the whole it is given the 16% gain. So minusing this 16 from 5, 11, and 24 is to 11 is the ratio. And we have been given this is the 15 as a sum. 11 plus 4 is the 15, and 15 is given us as a 750 total amount. So it is the 5 times is that. So for 5 times we have been asked the original cost of table. So table cost is the 11, and which is, and to multiply it 5 times, so 5 times will be the 5500. So means 550. So this C will be the right answer. Now 99th question, person road. So I have in hurry not did able to do this. I have tried, but that was paper was over. The last question I did was the 1,000 more than. Okay, the right option this will be I will one can be calculate it as a the by eliminating the three zeros, we 2 plus 3, since it is saving 200 1,000 more than the previous year. So initially he is starting with 2,000. So 2 and 3 it will go on AP, and the sum of AP terms we will know that n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to sum of terms. So sum of term is given that 170 1,70,000. sorry, 17 lakh, 1 lakh 70,000. So 170 is there, and we will be getting 70 into n into n plus 3 into multiplied with the 34340. So putting n equal to directly from the option n equal to 17, we will be getting the as the right as the right answer. So we see that all of the question were a little bit tricky and also calculative. So means I hope you could have done the more than 40 and 50, and most of the most of the person do around 40 and 50. So if even if you have done this much, you are good to go, and it is a good attempt. And many of you could have done, but you could have done more than 50 correct. So let's hope for the best, and I hope you all have did best, your best, and keep on practicing hard. And thank you, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.